In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a smart barking training collar from the company BEESHOP. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of like show you how this thing works. I'm going to unbox it here, and I will put it on a dog and let you see how it is. It looks like it's taped shut here. Get my little next tool and cut this tape, and we've got the tape cut open there. There we go. And then up here, BEESHOP customer, a little thank you. You've got some probes right here. A it's just their own proprietary like charging cable, so because this thing does need to be charged. And looking over it here, it looks really good. You can see how this thing looks. Got a quick release on it, and you're going to put 2 probes on it. I've used these collars before. He's a short hair dog, so one's for long hair and one's for short hair. So let's go ahead and put the short hair one on there and then tighten them up. There we go, we're tight. The power button right there. Okay, it looks like you can do shock, beep, and the levels of intensity. 1 through 8, right there. We're gonna put it on 8, and then I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna put it on like all of it. Shock, beep, woo, 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 woo. Wow, that woo, 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 woo. I made it go off by barking. That's awesome. And then you do have a little thing to tighten it down here. And then if you want to like test it, hold it down right there. Woo! Well, you see that it does add. Now this, and like I said, these shock collars do not add, it doesn't hurt the dog at all. So this is not something that, you know, we'll turn the modes. You don't have to turn it on shock. What I like about these, it can be on vibration, and all it is vibration lets them know not to be like barking. You don't have to do shock. So I'm not actually going to do shock. I'm going to do vibration and just the signal, and I'm going to put it on number 4 sensitivity. Take it off there. Let me get Remo, put it on him, and let's see how this thing works. He has a collar on, and what I'm going to do, like I said, this is not on the shock, so it looks like I need to go a little tighter with it. So let me tighten this thing up where it fits. He's got a kind of a small neck on him, so I have the barking collar on him. I don't have it super tight. I keep it a little bit loose. I'm just going to let it go right there. So it's hard for me to get him to bark at will. So we'll see when the next time he barks. He likes to bark at like random stuff that comes along, and we'll see how it works. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, you know, the barking training collar. If you got a loud dog that's annoying the whole neighborhood, get you one of these. You should be fine. See y'all in the next video.